Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today is the launch of 3 new Raquel Welch wigs, and I'm going to be showing you 2 of them here. So stay tuned. Okay, so before we get started, let me just tell you that we'll have links to these wigs in the description below, and they are currently on sale for this weekend at 30% off. So you can head on over and check those out. Also, don't forget to come join my private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. We have over 2,500 members supporting each other on their wig journeys, showing each other pictures of themselves in different wigs, which is really important because it's tough to tell what a wig's going to look like from just the stock photos. And we have group experts over there to answer your questions, and of course I'm over there as well. So come join us, it's a lot of fun. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing for you Flip the Script and on the cover 2 of the Raquel Welch new wigs. And we're going to start with Flip the Script. The minute I took this out of the box, it took me back to Charlie's Angels. I think all of my girlfriends wanted to look like Farrah Fawcett, and we all curled our hair back. And we had at first we had the little Tootsie Rolls, and then it turned into more of a feathered look. This is somewhere in between. This still has some curl, but it's not quite that tight Tootsie Roll curl. This is a very glamorous look. I love it. I'm going to spin for you and show you the whole look, and then we're going to talk about all the details. So pretty, look at that. I love it. This is in the color Shaded Honey Ginger, which is a combination of a golden blonde, a lighter ashier blonde, and a medium brown rooting. So you can see that there, all those colors in there. And it's definitely a warmer toned color. Before I tell you about the measurements, my circumference is 21.5 inches. From forehead to chin, I'm 8.5 inches, and the rest of my measurements will be in the description below. If you don't know how to measure your head, I'll have a link down there that'll take you over to frannieshair.com, my website, and I have a video there where I show you how to measure your head correctly. Okay, so let's talk about the style. Flip the Script is described as today's shoulder-length butterfly cut sweeps away from the face and into a softly sculpted V-shaped feathering in the back. I'll show you that there. Our modern metamorphosis of this retro favorite has an eyelash bang, off-center parting, and a full mono top. So this has an extended lace front. Let me show you that there. And Raquel Welch lace fronts are great. The highlighting comes right to the front there, which makes it really nice. And this has a mono top, so it's originally parted on the left, but you can change that. You can see that there. And also it's heat friendly, so you can use heat tools to style this any way you like. Personally, I think I would leave it just like this. I love this look. All right, let's talk measurements. The bang is 8 inches. That's right, because I'm 8.5 down here. The crown, 10.5 inches. The nape, 8 inches. The side, 8 inches. The back, 9 inches. And she weighs 6 ounces. Definitely medium density. This is not a low density wig. I feel permatease in here, and it's giving it that voluminous, beautiful, glamorous shape. Okay, so let's try on the glasses. Under the ear tabs, I think it would be fine. I feel it, but it doesn't feel like it would be annoying to me in any way. Over the ear tabs, very easy. I could definitely wear it like that. Speaking of the ear tabs, let's take a look at the ear tabs and the coverage. So here you go. This gives really full coverage. It's coming right down to here. And I'm 11.5 inches ear to ear, so that'll make a difference too. If you have a larger ear to ear measurement, the ear tab may be shorter on you. So here you go. There's the ear tab. And on the other side too. And as far as how the cap fits me, it feels comfortable. I think I could actually tighten this up a little bit. We'll take a look at where the adjusters are when we look at the cap. And then we'll see how big I think it could go. All right, so let's try styling her a little bit. Okay, so you know, I'm not the best at styling. I am sure that many of you could come up with better styles. I'm working on it. All right, let's take a look at the cap. Okay, so it has an extended lace front, ear tab to ear tab, that full mono top, the velvety ear tabs with the metal stays, and these feel like substantial metal stays, really nice. Open wefting, extended nape, and the Velcro adjusters, and you can see they are adjusted pretty far out. So I did say I could probably adjust it in a bit more, which I could, and I would say this fits like a normal Raquel Welch wig, which is average to a bit larger than average. Okay, so that is Flip the Script in Shaded Honey Ginger. Okay, meet on the cover in Shaded Iced Cafe Latte. This is a short style for all of you short-haired pixie ladies. This, if you see the stock photo, is a heat-friendly wig, and I think in the stock photo they actually styled it back in some way, maybe like curled it back. When I first put it on, it looked, you know, pretty flat, and I looked at the stock photo and I was like, wow, there's such a difference. But it is a heat-friendly wig, so I'm sure you can probably style it that way. And I actually do like it styled back off the face like that. I'm going to spin for you, show you the style, and then we'll talk about all the details. I don't think anything happened when I did that. Okay, so let's read a description of the style. If you see the lights flickering, there's some kind of storm happening outside. They keep flickering on and off. Okay, so it says, it's the latest trend in short, unstructured soft waves and an eye-catching contoured back that hugs the head for style that's decidedly unstyled. It's casual, not coiffed, with texture that lets you make it your own. So it definitely does feel like it hugs my head. As a matter of fact, it feels more snug to me than the Flip the Script wig did. And we'll take a look at where the adjusters are. As far as the measurements go, the bang is 4 inches. So if I wanted to wear a bang, I could do that. And this is a heat-friendly wig, so you could style it, you could curl it, however you like. The crown is 4.25 inches. The nape, 2.25 inches, the side 2.25 inches, the back 3.5 inches, and she weighs just 2.5 ounces. She feels low density. It's interesting, I feel some space in the cap up here, right here, which I don't normally feel. I'll have to see how it's adjusted on the inside, but as I said, it's snug fitting, and I just feel a little bit of space there. And of course, everybody's measurements are different, so check my measurements below to try to gauge if it would fit you the same way. Okay, the color Shaded Iced Cafe Latte. I wanted to get something cooler and something warmer. So the Flip the Script is the something warmer. The Shaded Iced Cafe Latte is a cooler color. It's an ashy medium brown base with cool blonde highlights and medium brown rooting. So you can see that there. So this is definitely a cooler color, and for those people who are looking for a cooler brunette, this could be a great choice for you. Okay, so let's try on the glasses. Under the ear tabs, I think I would feel that. Over the ear tabs, no problem whatsoever. As far as styling goes, as I said, you could probably use some heat tools and style it off your face. You could really get some volume out of this if you wanted to at the top there. Maybe put it behind your ears, leaving a little sideburn, or bringing more of it down like that. I don't know, I think I would like it up here with maybe the little sideburns like that somehow. All right, let's take a look at the cap. Okay, so you have the extended lace front from ear tab to ear tab, full mono top. Oh, I didn't show you the lace front and the mono top. I'll put it back on and show you. The velvety ear tabs with the metal stays, the extended nape and the Velcro adjusters, and those are adjusted further out. I'm going to say this goes to an average. I'm not sure that this would go to larger than average. There is some stretch in the back here. You don't get stretch where you have these features, but it did feel snug on me, and it is already out to the edges there. Okay, let me show you the lace front and the mono top while it's on. Sometimes I forget what I'm doing. Okay, so here you go. There's the lace front with the highlighting to the front there. Nicely done. Your mono top. And you can part it anywhere there. Okay, so that is on the cover. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing the new Raquel Welch wigs with me. I enjoyed checking them out. I think for me, this is more my style than the shorter one, but I know that there are many ladies out there who like short hair, so you can let me know what you think of on the cover. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments below, or come over to my website, frannieshair.com, where you can get these at 30% off. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the contact form on my website, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to come join my private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.